St. Lucia Kings and Trinbago Knight Riders will clash in the 12th match of the 2024 Caribbean Premier League. With 2 wins from 3 matches, the Kings are placed 4th on the points table. On the other hand, Trinbago have won 1 and lost 1 and are placed 5th with 2 points. Both teams have lost their respective last games and would look to bounce back. Darren Sammy National Cricket Stadium in Gross Islet in St. Lucia has hosted 10 CPL matches in 2022 and 2023 seasons. The average first innings score in these two editions at this venue is 170 and in the second innings it is 141. The highest score in CPL in these two seasons at this venue is 201 and the lowest score is 51. The toss win to match win percentage is 50%. St. Lucia Kings and Trinbago Knight Riders are most likely to field the same 11s in their upcoming clash. St. Lucia Kings and Trinbago Knight Riders have played 5 matches against each other, with Kings winning 3 games and Trinbago 2. Tim Seifert has made a solid impact in CPL 2024 with 102 runs from 3 innings, averaging an impressive 51. His strike rate is 188.88, highlighting his aggressive approach, including 1 half-century. Noor Ahmed has been a key bowler in CPL 2024, taking 6 wickets in 3 innings. With a strike rate of 12, an economy rate of just 5 and an average of just 10, he has been highly effective. Casey Carty has been in top form in CPL 2024, scoring 107 runs in just 2 innings. With an astonishing average of 107, his strike rate is 187.71 and a 50 underlying his dominance. Sunil Narine continues to shine in CPL 2024 with 4 wickets in 2 innings. With a strike rate of 12, an economy of 7 and an average of 14, he is proving to be a crucial bowler for his team. Jonathan Charles is the hot pick for Kings in the CPL. With 2,933 runs in 108 innings, he is averaging 28.20 with a strike rate of 127.74, including 18 half-centuries. Faf du Plessis might be an avoid pick for the Kings in CPL 2024. In 3 innings, he has only managed 36 runs. Nicholas Purran is the hot pick for Trinbago in CPL. With 2,040 runs from 94 innings, he averages 25.50 with a strong strike rate of 150.66, including 11 half-centuries. Shakar Paris could be an avoid pick for Trinbago in CPL 2024. In 2 innings, he has scored just 44 runs. St. Lucia King have an edge over Trinbago because of home condition and stand a 70% chance to win the match. Tim Seifert would be a good choice for captain. Sunil Narine would be a great option for the vice-captain role. और आखिर में हमारी फैंटेसी 11 में जॉनथन चार्ल्स, टिम साइफर्ट और निकोलस पूरन को विकेट कीपर के रूप में शामिल किया गया है। 3 ऑलराउंडर्स हैं, डेविड वीस, सुनील नारायण और आंद्रे रसल। फैंटेसी 11 में 2 बैटर्स हैं, भानुका राजपक्षे और केसी कार्टी। 3 बॉलर्स होंगे, नूर अहमद, वकार सामकेल और अलजारी जोसेफ।